Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video today we're going to be making a grapefruit and coconut loaf. You're going to need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and you're also going to need a loaf tin. The dimensions of the loaf tin will be in the description below. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button and of course don't forget to check out my other videos on my baking channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.